All right, hey, we're here to talk about how to clean your vacuum sensor. This covers vacuum sensors from the YJACK back, the YJACK OMNI, and the wired vacuum sensor for the TITANMAX. The goal was to come up with a quicker process so that it doesn't take a lot of time to clean it in the field. So that's what we've come up with today. We found that electrical contact cleaner is the most effective way to clean them quickly. So the only thing you need to do is take out the little depressor core that's in the end there. So there's a little brass fitting. You can take that out with the pliers or a small screwdriver or tweezers, as I'm doing here. Take that out, set it aside, and then we need to take our can of contact cleaner. That's going to take the contaminants that I cleaned out and wash them out. We're going to do that 3 times. So I'll do it again here. And then one more time. Now most of the time this will solve 80 to 90% of dirty vacuum sensors. So before we're done, you want to inspect your gasket. If the gasket's in good shape, we'll put your brass depressor back in. Push it in so it's back and flush. And then make sure you put it on a vacuum pump for at least 60 seconds to test. Make sure it drops down to an accurate vacuum reading. That you know it's now then clean. Get that going.